everyone, today I'm going to make chicken collagen soup base. You'll need chicken bones from 2 chickens as well as 1 kg of chicken feet. First, let's clean them well. Trim off the nails. Now I'm done with my chicken feet and let me clean my sink immediately. Now let's blanch the chicken. Add enough water to cover the chicken. Bring it to a boil and remove the scums. Now let's drain them. Rinse off the scums if necessary. Now in a big pot, prepare 7 liters of cold water. Add in the chicken. And 1 piece of ginger and some spring onions. Bring it to a boil with high heat. And now cover and simmer on low for 1.5 hours. This way we can bring out the flavor of the ingredients. After 30 minutes, remove the spring onions, otherwise the soup becomes sour. After boiling for 1.5 hours on low heat, now we need to turn the heat to medium and cook again for another 2.5 hours. This is to make the soup thick and white. So the total cooking time is 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, season with salt if you like, and let's drain them. Let it cool. Now let's skim off the fat. And if you are not using it immediately, you can store it in a container or in a mold if you want a cute design.
Hana,
Susu katanya.
bukan susu dek, ni sup ayam.
Kayak susu ada.
I'm going to store my soup base in the fridge for tomorrow. If you store in the fridge, it will become like a jelly. So thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.